Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Yeah! Brady! Ew! Don't come near me.
Oh my god!
Don't drink it!
He's never been that bad.
Oh
Oh my god!
It's like getting swamped. Oh my god, it's on his face! Brady! He just, what is he doing? What the hell? Brady, get over here! He literally went under the muck. Look at him rubbing it! No! Brady! Come here! Come show Grammy what you did! Come show Grammy! Look at that! Brady! Oh my god!
You're gonna have to push him in that. Do not come in! No.
Brady, don't drink it. Oh my god. He's like, fuck, where'd he go? Oh my god, he's laying in it. Oh my, oh my god. Look at him. What the hell, Brady? No, don't come near us. Are you ready? Let's go get washed off.
Idiot. I was like, what are you, retarded?
Oh my god! You think he was a bear or something. Come